Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to another video from the Python tutorial series, and in this video we are going to learn how we can download and set up Python in our own PC. So without any delay, let's get started. So before we download and install Python, we need to understand few of the things. So to run Python code, we first need to download a Python interpreter. It is to be remembered that Python has two major versions. They are Python 2 and Python 3. Here we will learn Python 3 only. When you are downloading the Python interpreter from the given URL, keep in mind that you need to download the right interpreter as per your operating system and its architecture. Okay, so what I mean to say here is Python has basically two major versions. If you understand semantic versioning, you know in case of semantic versioning we write major version, dot minor version, dot patch version. So as per the major version, Python has two variants, Python 2 and Python 3. So when you want to run Python and install the Python environment in your own PC, you need to download Python 3, as this video will strictly follow the norms and regulations of Python 3 programming. But when you are setting up the Python environment in your own PC, you have to download a correct interpreter as per your operating system and the operating system's architecture. Basically, whether it is for Ubuntu, whether it is for Windows or Mac OS, and if it is a 64-bit architecture or a 32-bit architecture. Okay? Now, as we have discussed few of the basic things which are required to download Python, let's see how we can download and set up Python in our local environment. First of all, we will open a Chrome browser and here we will search download Python. Once we search it, we will see a first link from www.python.org downloads. This is the URL we need. Once we click on this link, we will come to the official Python website and here we will see download the latest version for Windows. It will show the version as per your own OS, but again you can customize it as per your requirement. To download Python 3.11.3, where 3 is the major version, 11 is the minor version and 3 is the patch version, we will click on download Python. Once we click on it, you can see our download has started. So once the Python interpreter is downloaded, you need to double click on it and hit on run. Then for each successive screens, you need to click on next. Okay, and finally you will click on install, which will install the Python environment in your own PC. One thing which I would like to tell you, that is when clicking on next, you will see a checkbox where it will say add to path. Always mark it before clicking on next. The reason is when you will install Python, so this Python will be added to the path environment variable and that will actually help you to access Python from anywhere in your system. Okay. So once that is done and Python is installed, now it's time for us to check whether we have done it correctly or not. And how do we check it? Let's see. Here as you can see, I have opened the command prompt and I am in the E drive. So if Python is installed properly, you need to write Python and click on enter. If you see this kind of thing, Python 3.11.2, this text and these three signs, you need to remember that you have downloaded Python absolutely perfect way. Okay, there is nothing more you need to do. In case you see that Python is not recognized as an internal or external command, there can be two possibilities. Either you haven't downloaded Python properly, or it might be possible that you have downloaded Python but it has not been set in the path variable. Then in that case you have to set the Python to the path variable manually. And in case you are not sure how to do it, you search environment variables and you can know where to add. In case you are still facing any issue, you are most welcome to let us know in the comment section. We will help you out as far as possible. Okay, let's go back to our presentation. I hope the purpose of this video is clear and you have understood how to download and set up Python in your own PC. In case you found the video informative, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We are going to bring more videos in future. For any queries, doubts, suggestions or feedbacks, feel free to post them in the comment section. We are going to reply. And for any documentation thing, we will post the link of the website in the description section and you can check it out. So that's it for now. See you in the next video. Bye.